Hey guys, I'm going to make a tuna curry. Just a quick, simple curry. They request. Okay, I'm using a bit of plain flour, some onions, and some garlic. That's all I'm gonna use, guys. I'll grab the curry. But this seafood, this is tuna, dry tuna with water, but it's gonna be delicious by the time we finish. Okay. Guys, I'm using two different curry and a normal always curry. I'll put a bit of paprika and maybe add some ginger later. Okay, that's how we ingredient. Let's cook. Guys, I'm adding chopped onions to our pot. Just a bit of lightning. Just gonna fry off the onion and garlic. Guys, I stirred it really good. Now add cold water. Stir it up. Okay, guys, it's thickening up. Cook it until thick. Still got that flour to melt. And we're cooking on the low heat. Guys, I'm gonna add a tuna. This tuna is perfect for this because they are so dry. So I'm adding whole juice with the. If you need another can, you can add another can. This time you can add whatever you want in your curry. If you want to add veggies, any herbs, everything, just add it and then cook it on low heat. Or that tuna will be breaking up. But keep stirring now and then because I don't want to burn it. They're freaking up, guys. It's so cold here this morning. I can't get rid of the steam. The fish. And it's going to be yummy curry. As request, a super normal curry. At this point, you can add a coconut cream or thickened cream, or just serve it like this. Okay, I'll simmer that on low until it's thickening up again. A little bit of red paprika, not too much, some people don't like it, and add a bit of salt. Remember those tunas are salty, so you've got to be careful. Yeah, curry, tuna curry, guys. If you want to thicken up quick, then you add some corn flour, or you can mix up a bit more flour, plain flour, and add it in. Up to you guys. It's time to add more flavor, herbs, everything. Guys, I add some curry leaves in there and herbs, dry garlic, flakes, and lemon lime, and pepper and lime. Yeah. Now I just simmer it off until it's thick the way you want it. And it'd be nice to put it on rice or eat it with anything. bread. Yeah. Guys, it's nearly ready. I'll add a whole lemon. I'm not adding no veggies in this one. Guys, here's the fish. Mom's fish. I'm going to cook it with a little bit of soy sauce, onion, garlic, ginger, and lemon. So all the flavors get in there. Sunday is beautiful. Just try to make healthy food, guys. Now you can only eat so much. The whole fish in there got enough. Yeah, let's cook it. Let's let it boil for 5 minutes until our fish is cooked. And that all the flavour is going to sit in that fish. Fish is going to sit in that flavour and soak it all in. Beautiful. You can add some parsley, whatever herbs you want to do. Look guys, it's all been coming out in a bloody winter. What's wrong with those bananas? It's supposed to be come out in the summer, not in the winter time. Guys, I'm adding garlic. My onion is frying off. You can see it brown up. I'm going to bring all the sweetness out. Fry that up a bit. I'm going to fry our curry. And a bit of flour and then we're good to go. So I'll add a bit of curry now. And a lot of that. That one's a little spicy. And then this one. I'll show you before. Stir that in. If you stir because it's going to burn very quick. It's thick. And a bit of flour. Add as much you want, how thick your curry want to be. But I don't want mine too thick. I'll stir